Besties, I have GrungeCore. Courtney Quarantine and Mob came out with a new collection called GrungeCore, and these are the shades. If you can't tell, I'm freaking in love with it already. I love Mob's formulas. I've never tried their powder shadows, so it was cool to try those. While you're here, besties, please check out the links in my link tree. I have several links to support the humanitarian crises happening in Tigray, Ethiopia, Democratic Republic of Congo, Sudan, as well as Haiti. I also have a link to a Palestinian family that I'm trying to raise money for. They are so close to their goal, and with the ceasefire that was just announced, hopefully they'll be able to get out soon. If you can't donate, please share this video. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. To start off the look, besties, I'm just taking a little bit of M169 and I'm just popping that. I'm just going to put it all over my eye. This shadow is so gorgeous. Oh my. Okay, besties, that's what we're looking like. I love that shadow. Okay, besties, to set this beautiful red shadow, we're going to take the M167, which is this one. This is a beautiful shade. Look at that. Taking it on a fluffy brush and just lightly setting that freaking look at that. Okay, besties, that's what we're looking like. I did take a little bit of M168 and M170 down here in my crease just for a little bit of contrast. Now I'm going to take M170 just with a fluffy brush on my lower lash line to kind of smoke it out. Okay, besties, that's what we're looking like. I'm going to take a little bit of M168, which is the shimmer, and I'm actually just going to take that on my finger and just pop that onto the lower lash line. Okay, besties, that's what we're looking like. I'm going to come back when I'm about halfway through my makeup because I want to try this M170 as a bronzer. Okay, besties, I am going to take the M170 just on a pointed brush that looks like this. And that's a gorgeous powder bronzer. I've seen Courtney use it like this, but I wanted to try it myself. Okay, besties, that's what we're looking like. I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and we'll come back and try the lip. Okay, besties, here's what we're looking like. I actually bought all of Mob's lip liners with this order as well, so I'm actually going to take M147, which is this beautiful, like, warm dark brown just on the perimeter of my lip, and then we'll put the lipstick in the center. Okay, besties, let's try M171. Oh, that's so pretty. That's like exactly the color of my coffee in the morning. Can we just take a moment for the lipstick? I'm so in love. Besties, I had a thought. I want to take this M167 and use it as blush. This like shimmery red, like very, very lightly, just on like a brush that looks like that. I'm going to tap it off like super lightly, just like for a little bit of something. You see, like, that's so pretty. All these shades go so well together. For my highlighter, I used my Glam Light Ghost Face, the champagne one right there. For my inner corner highlight, I used my Anastasia Moonchild palette, the shade Pink Heart. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but it's got like a little pinky duochrome. My lashes are my Kiss So Wispy, and of course I went in with my NYX Epic Ink liquid liner for a little wing moment. This collection is absolutely freaking amazing. All of the shades go so well together, and I'm just absolutely in love. I also love using these like reddish shades. I use Jessica's from her Southern Goth collection usually as like a blush, so I love doing that. I can't wait to use the red cream shadow as a blush. Thank you, Courtney, and thank you, Mob, for coming out with this collection. It is absolutely amazing. It's giving me like early 2000s emo vibes, which is so my vibe. If you made it to the end of this video, you're my favorite person in the whole world. Let me know what your favorite early 2000s emo band is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.